Fritters, hot out of the fryer, the air fryer that is. That's right, no hot oil, no deep frying. These apple fritters are air fried, and they're just 6 ingredients, including a decadent caramel sauce I know you're gonna love. Peel and chop 3 medium apples. I'm using a Granny Smith and some Honey Crisps. Saute in butter and maple syrup for about 5 minutes. While the apple's cool, I want to talk about this. I bet you think this is canned biscuit dough, which is a great time saver for lots of desserts. But these are canned cinnamon rolls, and today I'm using the jumbos. Cut the rolls into pieces, throw them into a bowl, and toss them with the apples. Sprinkle on a little flour to help keep that moisture down. When things start to look like this, push the mixture together to make sort of a loaf. Then slice your loaf and pat the slices into fritter shapes. I've got my air fryer back there set to 350 degrees, and each batch will take about 15 minutes. And I've got a very small air fryer, as you can see, so I'll only do 1 or 2 at a time. This recipe is based off an old family recipe, which includes a glaze made from whiskey produced in my mom's home state of Tennessee. If you think real hard, you can probably figure out what they used. Now that boozy glaze is delicious, but I wanted to do something just a little different. Take 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and place it in a big pot and fill it with water until the can is completely submerged. I'm actually using sweetened condensed coconut milk. Bring the water to a boil and then reduce to a simmer for 3 hours. As the water level goes down, add more water so the can stays covered. When the 3 hours are up, just turn off that burner and let everything cool down. Pop open that can and you've got a rich, creamy caramel sauce. Drizzle or pour over your apple fritters and enjoy this retro recipe remix as a dessert or a sweet breakfast. If you don't have time to make that caramel sauce, remember that canned cinnamon rolls come with icing and you can totally use that. But either way, air fryer apple fritters are a tasty remix you've got to try.